That white powder in your kitchen might be doing more for your body than you ever imagined. Especially after 60, not as a miracle, not as a magic trick, but as a simple tool that may help your circulation work better, including in the places men care about most. Many men think performance changes are only about age, hormones, or bad luck. But sometimes the real problem is quieter. It is blood flow that has become less flexible. It is inflammation that stiffens vessels over time. It is an internal balance that slowly shifts until your body stops responding like it used to. I am Dr. Zara Vale, and I have spent years helping men over 60 rebuild strength, confidence, and day-to-day energy with simple, science-grounded habits. And I can tell you this, the best support is not always in a pricey bottle. Sometimes it is in plain sight. Today I will walk you through 10 ways baking soda may support circulation and male performance in a way that is practical, easy, and safe. And near the end, I will share a gentle morning combination many men use to make it easier on the stomach and more effective as a routine. If you are a man over 60 who wants natural, realistic ways to feel stronger, tap subscribe. And tell me in the comments where you are watching from, because this community matters. Now here's the part most men never hear clearly. As we get older, the body can drift toward a slightly more acidic state, especially with stress, processed foods, poor sleep, and low movement. This does not mean your blood turns into acid. Your body regulates tightly. But small shifts in acid load and buffering can affect how your vessels relax, how oxygen is delivered, and how inflammation behaves. Think of your circulation like a garden hose. If the hose stiffens, narrows, and kinks, the pressure feels high, but the flow is not smooth. That is what many men experience. Desire is still there. The mind is ready, but the body response is slower, weaker, or unreliable. That gap creates frustration and, for many men, quiet shame. Baking soda, when used correctly, works as a buffering compound. In research settings, it has been studied for its effects on acid balance, exercise performance, and how the body handles physical stress. It may also support a healthier internal environment for blood vessels, especially when paired with basic lifestyle habits. So let us go through the 10 benefits, with simple explanations and real-life examples of what men often notice. Benefit number 1. It may support healthier blood vessel relaxation by buffering acid load. When vessels relax properly, circulation becomes smoother. Better circulation means oxygen and nutrients reach tissues more effectively. One man I worked with, a 69-year-old retiree, said he felt like his mornings were getting dull and heavy. His standard labs looked fine, but his lifestyle was driving chronic stress and poor sleep. We added a small, careful morning routine and basic hydration. A few weeks later, he told me he felt more awake, more present, and his confidence started returning. Benefit number 2, it may help calm inflammation inside blood vessels. Inflammation is not always loud. It can build quietly and make vessels less elastic. When vessels stiffen, blood flow suffers. A proud 71-year-old told me, "My body feels like it is working against me." We focused on routines that reduce stress on the system, including a gentle buffering approach on certain mornings. He reported better daytime energy and a steadier sense of circulation over the following month. Benefit number 3, it may support nitric oxide activity by creating a friendlier environment in the body. Nitric oxide is one of the key signals that helps vessels widen. When nitric oxide signaling is weaker, the body may struggle to deliver strong circulation in intimate moments. This is why men can feel mentally ready but physically not responsive. Some men notice improvement when acidity, oxidative stress, and inflammation are reduced. A 66-year-old who stayed active added a simple routine with hydration, light breathing, and basic movement. He told me his body started responding more naturally again, especially in the morning. Benefit number 4, it may support oxygen delivery to tissue. Circulation is not only about flow, it is also about delivery. Your red blood cells carry oxygen, and tissue needs oxygen for sensation, energy, and function. Aging and chronic inflammation can affect this process. A 72-year-old former fire chief told me he felt less stamina and less sensation, even when he tried to push through. After a few weeks of consistent morning habits, he said, "I feel more energy, and I feel more connected in my body again." That is what better oxygen delivery can feel like. Benefit number 5, it may support mitochondrial energy. Mitochondria are the power centers inside cells. When they slow down, you can feel it as fatigue, low drive, and weaker stamina. Studies in sports and physiology have explored how buffering compounds like baking soda can influence how the body handles physical stress. One 68-year-old said he felt like he ran out of gas during normal activities. When he added a small routine a few times a week, along with stretching and breathing, he told me, "It feels like the engine is turning over again." Benefit number 6. It may help your body respond better to the hormones you already have. Many men assume they need higher hormones. But sometimes the issue is not only the level. It is how well your tissues respond. Chronic inflammation and poor metabolic health can dull receptor sensitivity, like trying to hear a signal through a thick wall. A 64-year-old retired officer told me he felt flat even though his numbers looked normal. After several weeks of simple daily habits, he said his drive was returning, not just physically, but emotionally too. Benefit number 7, it may support kidney and liver workload by reducing acid burden. Over time, the kidneys help regulate acid balance and filter waste. When the body is under constant stress, hydration is low, and the diet is heavy, the system works harder. A 70-year-old with a clean lifestyle still felt sluggish and heavy. We focused on hydration, food timing, and a gentle buffering routine on a few mornings per week. He said he felt lighter, less foggy, and more steady energy through the day. Benefit number 8. It may help reduce cravings and support weight goals when paired with good habits. Blood sugar swings drive cravings. Belly fat also affects hormone balance because fat tissue can influence how hormones are converted and used. Baking soda is not a fat burner, but some men find that stabilizing morning routines, hydration, and gentle support helps them make better food choices. A 66-year-old struggled with stubborn belly weight and low energy. After a month of consistent habits, he said cravings were calmer, and his confidence improved because his body felt more in control. Benefit number 9. It may help calm the nervous system by reducing internal stress signals. Performance is not just physical. If the nervous system is stuck in alert mode, the body does not shift easily into relaxation and connection. Poor sleep, anxiety, and past stress can tighten the system. A 70-year-old veteran told me he felt anxiety during intimate moments, even when he wanted closeness. He focused on simple breathing, better sleep timing, and a gentle routine that supported overall balance. Within weeks, he said he felt calmer and more connected again. Benefit number 10. It can be used in a simple combination that many men find easier to tolerate. This is the morning combination I promised. Warm water, a squeeze of lemon, or a small splash of apple cider vinegar and a small amount of baking soda. The goal is not to shock the stomach. The goal is to create a gentle, consistent routine that supports digestion, hydration, and circulation habits. One 74-year-old told me his mornings felt clearer, his body felt more responsive, and he felt more like himself again after a month of consistency. Now let me make this practical. Because this is where most men either overdo it or quit too early. Start small. 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a full glass of water on an empty stomach. Do not take it right after a heavy meal. Begin with 3 mornings per week, not every day. If you want the combination, use warm water. Add lemon juice or a small splash of apple cider vinegar first, then add the baking soda and drink it once it settles. Keep it gentle. Support it with simple habits that make it work better. Light movement daily, even a 10-minute walk. Deep breathing because it improves circulation signals. Balanced meals with enough protein and fiber. And steady hydration through the day. And here's the safety rule that matters. If you have kidney disease, heart failure, uncontrolled blood pressure, sodium restrictions, or you take medications that affect electrolytes, speak with your doctor before trying baking soda. This is not optional. Baking soda contains sodium, and it can change how your body handles minerals. I also want you to hear this clearly. If you have felt frustrated, embarrassed, or ashamed about performance changes, you are not broken. You are a human body adapting to time, stress, and chemistry. The goal is not perfection. The goal is balance, circulation, and confidence. Baking soda will not fix everything overnight. But for some men, it can be a small nudge that helps the body respond more smoothly again, especially when it is part of a bigger routine that supports sleep, movement, and metabolism. If this gave you hope, like the video so other men can find it. Share it with a friend who needs a simple place to start. And if you want more science-grounded, practical health tips for men over 60, subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay strong, stay curious, and remember, it is never too late to rebuild your vitality.